everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a day in the life of a content creator by testing a new body care range that came in from Scarlett today. Now, to those of you who are new to my channel, Scarlett is an Indonesian beauty care company that is registered under the BPOM and has a variety of body care items. So, inside my package, I received a new coffee variation product, which is the body scrub, shower scrub, and fragrance body lotion. Before I share the benefits of each product to my audience, I always love to sit down and understand it by myself first. For example, the Scarlett Coffee Scrub contains vitamin E glutathione that helps to remove dead skin cells from the outer layer of our skin. Besides, the coffee scrub also helps to stimulate skin cell turnover that results in a much smoother and brighter skin. The Jolly Brightening Shower Scrub, on the other hand, is taken as an inspiration from the YSL Black Opium, where it has a Floriental gourmand scent to it. Few of the benefits include vitamin E, glutathione, collagen, and those tiny scrub bits that actually supply scrubbing power to our body washes. So once I'm happy with the information of the product myself, I will step into the showers to have the first-hand experience of how the entire experience feels like. Following the body shower, I'll apply the Scarlett body lotion. This is their Jolly Fragrance body lotion, in which the aroma remains the same as the shower scrub, which is the floral gourmand scent. One of the best benefits of the lotion is it helps to restore the moisture of our skin, and it really lasts longer and smells amazing, you guys. There you have it, guys, the amazing Scarlett Coffee Variation set. All of the links will be shared in the info box below, so do check them out. Now let me just sit down and enjoy a little cup of coffee myself while I'm gonna see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!